Would you like to become an elf-looking cartoon figure? I will show you how to try that easily using PhotoDirector. Tap Edit, choose your image you would like to work with, and then go to Portrait, AI Cartoon, and here you can choose the option of elf. While AI is doing magic, you can see that there are other options. So for example, you can become a police officer, a schoolgirl, or a maid as well. You just have to wait a few seconds while it's working on your portrait, and here we go, a very beautiful elf. Click on the check mark and do not forget to save your image. Thank you for watching.